Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you friends? Hope everyone is fine. Welcome to Little Wings Arabic channel. This is your channel. Okay. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and share with others. It will help a lot people learning new and interesting learning Arabic language.
You itself can read it. Haza is used before a masculine noun. Example, Haza kitabun. This is a book. Hazihi is used before a feminine noun. Example, Hazihi mistara. So round ta is there, that means this is a ruler. So Haza is used before a masculine noun. So and Hazihi is used before a feminine noun. So friends, in my screen, as you can see, there is Haza and Hazihi mentioned here. So which is the correct form of Haza and Hazihi? As you can see, Hazihi is used always for feminine form and Haza is used for masculine form. Okay, so please remember this. Haza is used for masculine form and Hazihi is used for feminine form. So friends, how you will understand, how you will differentiate between Haza or Hazihi letters in Arabic, how you will know whether it is masculine and feminine. So Hazihi, as you can see, I have circled with the letters ending with ta marbuta. Okay, it is called ta marbuta or round ta. So whatever the letters are ending with ta marbuta, as you can see, I am pointing out with. So as you can see in this. Ta marbuta is there, round ta. Ta marbuta means round ta. I am pointing my cursor towards it. See, so I have circled with the red color. Yeah, hope you can see very clearly. Okay, this ta, whatever the letter comes with like this ta, that will be feminine words. Okay, that time you will use hazihi. Okay, and this side. This pen, exercise book, kitab, daftar, kalam, there you will see this type of ta is not there. Yes, so that means it is for masculine. Okay, and this side which I have circled with the round red color, and okay, so that is for feminine. So very easy to understand. Okay, so as there is a note. Did you notice how all the feminine words end in ta marbuta? Okay, which is mentioned in these two types of ta. Okay, nearly all Arabic words that end with ta marbuta are feminine. Okay, so please remember this. This is my another screen. As you can see clearly, I think you.
Language.